Hello, good evening, how are you? I hope you're well and happy and healthy wherever you are in the world. And I'm recording this video for you today from the beautiful Scotland, north of Scotland, Inverness, you know. Let's talk a little bit about football today and something new I'm going to show you today. You've not seen it before. Let's get on with it. I got a few teams. Now I'm expanding a little bit. I'm not doing the Premier Leagues anymore. Need to look for a little bit of a new market, a sort of more opportunities. I hope you understand. We all want to have a little bit more opportunities, don't we? So on the 21st of October 2023, there is a Lithuanian A-Liga going to have a match, and I was doing the William Hill up until now only, as you know, and because there were a lot of selections that could have been a possible winner, and I've not had them on the William Hill, I had to expand. You know, I had a Bet365 account as well along my William Hill, so that's two accounts I was using on a regular basis, but it was always that Bet365 had exactly the same selections at William Hill, hence I couldn't really place any bets on the teams that the selections were not available on either William Hill or Bet365. So I've consulted it with people that are in the trenches and are doing the same thing, and you will surely know this. It's called Betfair. You will surely know this exchange, or however you want to call it. And I have found this particular match, the Lithuanian A-Liga, which the match is going to be tomorrow on a Saturday, with 94% of chance to score at least 2 goals in a game. And last time they were playing against another team, they had, I think, 2-2, which was 4 goals scored in a game. As you know, I'm only going for over 1.5 in any games, hence I could add this to my coupon at a very low stake at £1.57 for a very small profit of £0.09, which is just 9 pence. But that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter, because we're just checking this experiment, what it's gonna be like, whether our chances to win big are there, or to add a little bit more, put more on a stake, are there. So let's see if this German Regional Liga Südwest Hamburg will possibly be there on the Betfair exchange. Simple to check. On the very top of the window you have the search. You just copy and paste, you hit enter, and it might come up. And I'm looking for the Hamburg versus VSV Mainz B, that in the last match they had 0.3, which tells me there is a possibility to have over 1.5 goals scored in the next game. In the last games, actually, the percentage was 94%, and I'm going for over 90% chance 2 goals to be scored in the next game, on the next football game, in the football match. Over 90% chance in the last 8 matches, which it is 90% there on the top, you can see, and that's the only thing I do. I don't know about you. You obviously have a lot of different things and ideas you want to win with this market, but you're maybe continually losing your money. I'm building my bank. It's up to you what you want to do. I'm trying to build my bank and double my account in a year, in the space of a year, 1 year, 12 months, or 365 days. So let's see how this is going to play out. I'll rewind, I'll check back my last 12 months results. Once the 12 months has passed, when we will see whether I've made any profits or I haven't. I'm actually aiming to double my account. And if that's going to happen, I might reconsider the strategy, add a little bit more funds to the brokerage account, and maybe then I will double my stakes and then try to double the money again in the next year. It's up to you what you want to do with your money. It's totally up to you. You don't ever follow my strategies because I don't recommend you to do anything like that. You think twice, you think 3 times, you think 4, 5 times about what you do with your money, and it's totally up to you. You can do whatever you want. You can stake as much as you want. You can play with whatever, bookies or exchanges you want. You can do whatever teams you like. You can do the exact score or however many other selections you want. It's totally up to you. I'm sticking with this one thing, and yes, I will double my account. If you don't believe in it, it's not gonna happen. Let's see, Hamburg Hessen Kasse. Is that thing there at all? FSV Mainz, I don't think it's that selection at all. That's the one, FSV Mainz Bundesliga, FSV Mainz versus F. So that's something new you haven't seen before, as I said on the beginning of this video. It's up to you whether you want to follow it or not. Maybe I'm deviating a little bit, but I'm expanding, I'm learning. I'm always willing to change and adapt, and that's what it is all about. And probably you want to do that as well. And they had 5.0, which means there is a very high chance for the next game to have at least 2 goals again. FSV Mainz versus FS Köln. Mainz Bayern Munich shot. And I was told that Betfair you have so many more selections, but I've checked it. And then, I didn't record the video for you, which I'm sorry, but, I'm not always able to record. I'm really busy life, believe it or not, but I have so many things going on every day, and I'm trying hard. I'm really trying hard. My subscriber base is growing on YouTube, which I'm very happy for. I'm really very, very happy and thankful. Really, thank you for subscribing to this channel. And maybe you watched 3 or 5 minutes of this video. I don't suppose you watch anymore. Probably you're fed up so much with my ugly voice and my ugly face and looking at this guy and what the hell he's going to do and achieve, and probably he's just another failure and you're not supposed to follow him at all. It's up to you totally, and I understand and I appreciate you all if you spend even just a minute on this channel. And believe it or not, but I'm not going to give up. I'm not the guy that is going to give up. And I had many ideas in the past, and I'm going to do many channels of the YouTube videos. This is not just one income stream that I'm actually pursuing, but I'm doing many other things. Hence, I'm not able to upload for you very regularly regarding the football. Let's carry on. I'm quite interested in the sort of like passive income streams, whether or not you believe in it, whether I believe in it, it's true, it's happening for many people, and you can do it too. Ireland Premier Division, Bohemians, Finn Herbs. Let's check this one out. So I highlight it, Control C for copying, and then at the very top of the Betfair exchange, Control V for paste, and then enter. And I'm at 10 minutes and 13 seconds of this video, and I'll have to pause it right now because people have come into the house. So I'll maybe shut the door and I'll try to finish the video for you because it's just 4 minutes left in it. So that selection wasn't there. I will look now another one up. What is this one? Ireland First Division again, Waterford, and I'm really disappointed, you know, that I don't have these selections like Ireland Premier Division even on the Betfair exchange. I'm quite disappointed, really. Waterford, Athleton Town. They had 6 goals scored in the last game. Waterford against Athleton Town. I'll check it out right now. I'll paste that selection there. Bohemians. Oh, sorry, I'm looking for Waterford against the Athlete Town. I need to Control C again. I haven't done it right. And I'll paste it there. So yes, Waterford is there right now on the very top of the Betfair exchange window. Let's see whether anything comes up. And I'm looking at Athleton Town. And that's again, it's not there. Not good at all. Not good at all. Let's check this one out. That's Wells Simru Premier, Aberystwyth. I'm gonna check it out. I'll copy, Control C, paste it into the Betfair search window, right on the very top. And I'm really sorry if I'm not gonna build my usual treble right now for you. But I hope you appreciate this video as I'm expanding and showing you a new thing. And soon there is going to be a little bit more because I've got a new software that I'm going to use, you know, other than the one showing here, the Excel spreadsheet. And Excel Microsoft is a completely new software that I haven't used yet. It's called CGM Bet and I haven't downloaded it yet, but I'm going to do very soon. So that's coming up maybe in the next video for you. I hope you appreciate it, what I'm recording for you. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share this video with people you think it might be of interest to them. And let's carry on. Let's see the Singapore Premier League, and I really doubt Singaporean leagues will be available on the Betfair exchange. I really doubt that. So just carry on and look for another match. Today is the 20th of October, and tomorrow is the 21st. Hence I started from the 21st. I was a few days on the holidays, so I was doing matches. And there wasn't much. And my last double, which I have placed as an exception instead of a treble, because there were only 2 selections on William Hill, they didn't win, they lost. I wasn't big money at all, and it was my first loss in the last maybe, you know, like I had maybe 5 or 7 or 10 wins, and then I had this one loss coming up. It was just one. So it's no problem at all. Last selection I'm going to check for you today, as it is 14 minutes and 17 seconds right now in this video, and I'm limited to 15 minutes length because of the software is just recording. And most of you never watches 15 minutes anyway, because you're not having this long attention span anyway, so you would probably want it all in 3 minutes and 5 minutes and then become a very wealthy person in the next 15 minutes. So sorry, I'm not going to show you even the last selection because now we're in the 14 minutes and 50 seconds of this video. I do appreciate you all. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you come back very soon to watch my efforts on the next video. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.